So we have here some saltfish, and if you want to know how to prepare your saltfish, I have a video out already on how to get your saltfish properly prepared for cooking. Now today we're going to be making saltfish and baked bean, Jamaican style, man.
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
So the saltfish is now soaking in the water. As soon as we're ready, we're going to drain that water off, and then we're going to move from there. So we have here half of a white onion sliced, 1 whole tomato diced, half green bell pepper diced, and quarter piece of Scotch bonnet pepper or Scotch bonnet pepper to your tolerance. We're going to allow that pan to heat up before we add our oil and vegetables. Now we're going to go ahead and add our oil. And add in here 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So now we're going to add all our vegetables to that hot oil. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning just to get the flavor going. We're going to give that a stir, incorporate everything, you know what I say? Just going to cover that and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Drain that excess water from the saltfish before adding it to our vegetables. Things smell nice. Everything is nicely sauteed, you know what I say? Just gonna cover that and allow it to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes.
Homestead, Signam, go via the Kingpin, Spain Town, everything load, everything brim. Some answer, try don't be a victim. Fresh, breezy, as some mistake clean. Girl, them love my foot in my straight jeans. My full of sauce like baby. No, under age over 18. Cologne, make a girl a daydream.
Nice, easy. So we're going to add to that about a half teaspoon of black pepper and give that a stir to incorporate everything. Just going to cover that now. How long am I going to allow that to cook for now?
3 minutes.
Okay, because the baked bean is already pre-cooked, saltfish was already cooked. Vegetables already sauteed, so allow that to cook for 3 minutes and then we're good to go. Quick and easy, man. And of course you're going to be serving that up with some ground provision. You know what I say? Dumpling and yam. You don't have no banana, just make do with the dumpling and the yam. So 3 minutes has passed. Gonna just stir that around. Look how beautiful that looks. Quick and easy, man, for breakfast, lunch or dinner. I'll serve that up now with some provision. Nice cornmeal dumpling.
See another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, and have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.